What is Buddhism? Buddhism is one of the oldest and most influential spiritual teachings in the world. It emerged in the 6th century BCE in India and gradually spread across many parts of Asia, eventually reaching the entire globe. In this script, we will delve into Buddhism's origins, pioneers, belief system, traditions, symbols, and prominent figures. Founder of Buddhism, Siddhartha Gautama. The founder of Buddhism is Siddhartha Gautama, also known as the Buddha. Siddhartha was born around 563 BCE in Lumbini, within present-day Nepal, as a prince. Despite living a life of luxury, Siddhartha questioned the meaning of life and came to realize 4 major truths: old age, sickness, death, and suffering. At the age of 29, Siddhartha left his kingdom to embark on a quest for enlightenment. After 6 years of intense meditation and self-discipline, he attained Nirvana. This moment of awakening transformed Siddhartha into Buddha, meaning the enlightened one. Core teachings of Buddhism. At the heart of Buddhism are the 4 Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path. 4 Noble Truths. Life is full of suffering. The cause of suffering is desire. By overcoming desire, suffering ends. Liberation is achieved through the Eightfold Path. Eightfold Path. This consists of right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. Why do people believe in Buddhism? Buddhism emphasizes intellectual depth and personal quest. Unlike many other religions, it does not revolve around the concept of a deity, but provides guidance for individuals to discover their own enlightenment. Buddhist teachings aim to alleviate life's sufferings through self-awareness, tranquility, and wisdom. Buddhist traditions and customs. As Buddhism spread across different regions, various traditions developed. However, some fundamental practices include meditation, a practice to calm the mind and support the quest for enlightenment. Mantra. Chanting. Common in certain Buddhist traditions, it involves repeating sacred phrases. Temple visits. Buddhist temples serve as sacred spaces for meditation and prayer. Festivals. Vesak Day commemorates the birth, enlightenment, and passing of Buddha. Symbols of Buddhism. Buddhism is rich in symbolism. Some notable symbols include Dharma wheel, Dharma chakra. The 8-spoked wheel represents the Eightfold Path. Lotus flower symbolizes purity and enlightenment. Buddha. Statues depict Buddha's state of peace, wisdom, and meditation. Prominent figures in Buddhism. Buddhist history features many significant figures. Dalai Lama, the spiritual leader of Tibetan Buddhism and a global ambassador for peace. Thich Nhat Hanh, a Vietnamese Zen teacher and peace activist. Bodhidharma, credited as the founder of Zen Buddhism. The spread of Buddhism. After Buddha's lifetime, Buddhism spread from India to many Asian countries, including China, Japan, Korea, Tibet, and Sri Lanka. Today, Buddhism is practiced by millions worldwide in diverse forms. Conclusion. Buddhism is a philosophy that emphasizes spiritual depth, personal responsibility, and peace. Its core teachings, such as the 4 Noble Truths and the Eightfold Path, guide individuals to transform their lives and achieve their own nirvana. In this sense, Buddhism continues to resonate as both a religion and a way of life around the world. If you are interested in such topics, you can subscribe to my channel and support us. See you in the next video. Goodbye.